I have a unique story in how I started photography. In 4th grade, my dad bought one of those big black DSLR cameras with interchangeable lenses, and I thought it was such a cool toy. And he was like, it's not really a toy, but you can use it, but you can only shoot with it if you shoot in manual. And so I learned how to shoot an actual photograph in manual when I was in 4th grade, which then led to me understanding light and photography in a very technical way. And so in junior high and high school, I had a lot of fun with the creative aspect of it. And then in college, I was in film school and I was on these amazing productions. And so when I wasn't shooting for the production, I would take photos. I also had a lot of fun shooting on vacations and just climbing trips. And so I was generating this big breadth of photography. And then I started making money off of it by selling my images. And that's how I started.